say this is the training program I designed. I'll go through it one by one. But what it takes for a person to be a right participant in the market, what is his goals? This should be the ultimate goal. Ultimate goal should be he should gain financial freedom. Not like do din trade kiya, one thing you are going into loss, one thing you are going into profit. When you're in profit, you are in different mode. When you're losing, you think like, okay, my trainer is not good, putting blame on others, right? Like no one. Another thing is with respect to trainees also, they depend on tips, one thing, and they depend on trainers. And when it goes good, it's okay, good. But when it goes bad, they start saying bad on all other trainers and putting blame on others and not taking own responsibility. This is also because like they did not get delivered, right? They don't know what exactly is there on the board. And then what I should do as part of my trainings. What it takes, what is there completely, what it takes to be a complete trader or a investor, right? So this is the reason what I did as a part of, if I need to explain all these things to a layman, if I go and say to like, say in a lot of jargons, people may get afraid or confused, right? Like it will not be useful for everyone. That is the reason I designed one decent structured program where I can help you with getting your financial freedom, I will say. So I will take around a couple of years, like first year goal settings will be there, definitely. I'll work with you guys to have a goal settings. And I'll also let you know how to achieve those goals. The use of your compounding, how you can think about your compounding, right? Like right now, if your income, say it is around, let's say 1 lakh per month, we cannot think about earning 10 lakh per month by end of this year. This is not happening anywhere. And it should be a miracle, right? Like otherwise it's difficult. It's not so good. But what if you have set a plan just to double your income by end of 1 year and double your income by the end of next 2 years? It is possible. You can do that one, and I'll show you the ways how to do it. And you want double your profits or incomes every month. This is consistent, and every month after 2 years, say next 5 years, your income is going to be up to 20-25 lakhs per month if you are earning 1 lakh today. Can we work towards that decently and consistently? So that is possible. We can work towards that. Even if we are hitting 60-70% target of that one, that's more than enough. But without doing anything, we're never going to reach that numbers, right? So that is where I started. So to achieve financial freedom, this is completely from internet. Just search for financial freedom. This part will come from internet, because I wanted to let you know that whomever you ask about financial freedom, they will let you know first to take care of these things. First clean up and do the easier ones, low-hanging fruits, catch it up. This is very easier. Like set goals, I can help you with. Budget making, you can do it yourself. Pay off credit cards, this is in your hand. Negotiations with everywhere you work, that is in your hand. Right? Like your continuous education, learning, like having a car to learn and update yourself all the time. So it's in our hands, right? Same way, like live below your means. This means like lifestyle. If I can lead my life with 70,000 rupees per month, can I make it 40,000 per month? Simple. Like you are now saving 30,000 already. That 30,000 you can invest somewhere or trade somewhere and do something like that, right? And get a financial advisor who can help you with your investments and taxes. These are all required, and your health, right? When your health is in good shape only, like you can do all of them. So we need to give importance for all these factors and move our journey. Yeah. So this is the thing I wanted to let you know before even starting about letting you know about my program. So any questions or advices here, guys? I will also update for the next coming batches if I can get some advice.
So when you say negotiate, right? Do you mean bargaining or
almost bargaining? Yes. Be in a bargaining mode. Yesterday I took a training with someone. Like easily I would have paid around 10,000. But I took some more time and bargained with them. I mean, asked them, negotiate. For us, it is negotiate. Win-win. When you say negotiate, you should keep in mind that win-win. They should also win, I should also win. In that mode. Bargaining means is a little tough, right? People ask for 10 rupees and people will ask for 2 rupees. Everybody starts like my mother, right? She will do that one. Vegetables and all, when it comes, they'll start from 2 rupees. Like vegetable wala comes, say 10 rupees. These guys will start from 2 rupees. Right? That is bargaining. Negotiation is something like win-win on both sides. You come up with a fair price. where other person
Right.
also thinks it is fair for him to give me and help. He also will get business, I will also get business. So in that kind, that is an example of negotiation.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Right. So now after this, we'll go with the training program. For now, let me just remove this part. I'm going to add it back again. Because this in first class, I completed the test today. Even I can cover that later. Yeah. In trading, you see, we'll start from trading, because even if you want to invest, right? Like we don't have a lot of money with respect to savings to put into our investment. So if we learn an art of doing some intraday trading, swing trading, and then push that money like 20% to our bank account and remaining 80% to your investment, and that will grow, right? Like that you can make it grow. I'll help you to do all those things, not a problem. And I'll say this is my you can expect this many things from me, and I'll knock it down one by one later. What you can expect from me is, first thing is your intraday trading. Intraday, that too only Nifty. Let's start with Nifty and we can take it from there, because a lot of focus in the multiple places will distract us a lot. Nifty, even if you like bank Nifty, that is also okay. These two things we concentrate for intraday trading. That's all, nothing much. And I have a very decent program for Nifty trading, and that itself will take around 8 hours to see that internal and external factors affecting our index, including your commodity changes, dollar changes, your change in the crude oil price. When I say commodity, natural gas, and all these things, economic factors, economic indicators, and all this, I'll let you know all these things. Intraday, right? Intraday, I'll give you one simple setup. Yeah, this is the one I gave to our guys yesterday. Yeah, wherein you are going to use trading view and sensible, and with 10,000 to 25,000 capital. This is to only make you to be a disciplined and consistent trader. Either you are in profits or losses. So you are going to trade only in one lot, not more than that. But this one lot is going to be, once you get hand, will reach to 144. 144 means in average, a person will earn, I think, some 2 lakh per day, I think. Let me give it real quick. 20,000. Yeah, here with the one lot, you will be able to earn in one trading session, you will be able to earn 3,500. And that means, yeah, 20 rupees. 200 into, I'll make a small math here so that you can get that view of what is happening. So 200 into 50, you are going to make, I'm sorry, 200 into 144. We just make it like simple. Yeah, this 28,000. Even if you are making 200 rupees per lot, it is 28,000 per day. Your profit is going to be 28,000 per day. This itself is a very huge success. But the only thing, you are going to 20 and 200 rupees if you want to make, you just need 2 points of profit from, 4 point profit from Nifty, nothing much, right? Like when you compare your brokerage charges and all, make it 6 points. Brokerages and taxes, make it 6 to 7 points in average. If you are able to make, you are making 30,000 per day. But in the consistency and a really decent system, you should have it. But it's going to be very huge. It's not 200. I'm putting very like optimistic number, but it will be, you will be able to, I can make it here 25K. I can write it per day. I'm saying per trading session. People are making this very easily. We will go there, right? So that is the goal of intraday. And from here, intraday means we'll cut the position at the end of the day. Next comes your swing trading. We'll go to swing trading. This is where I can help you with another trading system, and I'll explain you how to use that. And with that thing, you are going to work with F&O stocks, index, commodities, and currency. Yeah, give me 1 second, guys. Someone is there at door. Okay, let's get started. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll give you a swing trading setup where, like, you see that Naveen floor and all, I'm getting you, right? I'm getting you that from swing trading. That Reliance trade and all is from swing trading. and a little fundamentals attached to it, but not 100% fundamentals. Because that is enough for swing trading. We don't need to look a lot of things. And how you are going to cut stop loss. All of your entry, exit, you will be given. Your entry, exit, SL, trailing SL. No confusion at all. I'll get you working on all these things, and you will not have any confusion. Entry mila to entry kar rahe ho entry bus. Either you are going to wait for your trailing stop loss or exit positions. Simple, so simple as that. You will have such an objective system that you will be happy to give stop loss when it is required. So it will be in that mode, because when you're gaining profits in 300, 400 points. Just assume Reliance gives 60 points profit, I think 60 plus points profit. And if you are in futures, right, just assume the amount of profit you would have made with 60 points. We never wait on intraday, right? On with normal option trading. I'll let you know. And this trade range is going to be, I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that. 3 to 7 days, sometimes 10 days. We need to be in trade. So this is with respect to swing trading.
Santosh, I had a question here. So when you say swing trading, right, it's going to be pure options buy or futures buy, or it involves selling as well?
Yeah, I will recommend option selling.
Okay.
Option selling, future buy or sell.
Okay.
Reason is option buying, when you go, right, you cannot wait for 7 days with option buying.
Yes, right.
That is a little we lose money. And the normal cash, in cash also, few people will say swing trading I'll take 10 stocks. I'll sell 100 stocks of Reliance. That is enough for me. And 100 stocks is making like 60 rupees. It's fine, 6,000 rupees per 3-4 days. It was not 7 days trade. It was just 3 days or 4 days trade. But still, right, Navin floor is still going. Today it hit around 280 is target, 270 it hit, I think. So 28 points less to the target. I'm monitoring that. So like that, it will happen. No? So it's better to do option selling. I'll let you know the option selling strategies also for that. If you like to go with option selling, I can let you know option selling strategies also. And if you want to go with futures buy sell just directly and put the stop loss, that is also fair. Or the other thing is your cash. Go in cash, no problem. But with cash only you can buy, right? You cannot sell.
Yes. So this will, I think, require capital of around 5 lakhs to be comfortable, right?
Decent, yes. 5 lakh is decent. Yeah. First we'll start from here. That is the reason I started from here.
Okay.
We'll work towards getting your capital kicked in decently, and then we'll start here. And if you have capital, you can very well start. But you are going to get service from me. If you have capital, you can start working on it. But if you don't have capital, you can start from here and first push your capital to decent numbers, and then up they go 10,000 to 25,000. And if you are not able to get the cope up properly, right, it will take another 1 month or 2 months to come back again start from here. 3 times if you start from here, definitely I'm sure you learn all the discipline required. First time I blowed up my account. So 10,000 mein kuch nahi bacha tha mera. I was starting like this only. Kuch nahi bacha, like 30-40 rupees was remaining in my account.
Right? So you mean like you said 3 times, like you so do you mean like within 3 months we should be able to scale up to 144 lots?
It depends. If you are comfortable and if you have that psychology in control, yes, you can do it.
No, even 10 lots is it should be good enough, I believe. So you think we can?
Yeah. You see, we go in within numbers. I shared the other day, right? 1 lot, yes. And then I'll say you 2 lot, and
Fibonacci.
Then with 5. Yeah, Fibonacci numbers. And then we go with the 8. Let's not have it this thing. 13. Yeah, just sync hota hai. First time I did not follow this. Second time when I followed, I found some. I don't know what is the magic, but it will sync a little. So that's what I can tell you.
Yes.
So 34. We go in this kind of counts, and we do at least 5 trades in one level.
Okay.
Agar 3 trade continuously stop loss hit kiya, pichayenge.
Right. Okay.
And then we go 5 trades, and then I will go to the next level like that.
Reason and on an average, right? Sorry, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, tell me. I'm here to answer your questions. Yeah, please tell.
Thank you. So on an average, you think we will get at least 1 entry per day, or how is it like?
Mil jayega, almost mil jayega 1 entry. Yeah, but start. I am saying I wanted to be so much, what do you say that one, optimistic when you look at here, right?
Okay, you are giving conservative numbers yourself.
Yeah, very. This thing, you see this? This is the entry, right? This is the entry, you got it. This is the system I'm going to give it to you. I say, I wrote this the indicator also, so that you get into a good mode. These are all your GAN levels.
Okay.
Today, it is not going to go either isko break karega, ise break karega, ise break. These are all breaking points. Right? Your trade started here at 9:15. यहाँ पे entry लिया था, like you see, according to the system, your entry was here actually.
Okay.
So almost 242 to you are up to 320. Almost 100 points are here. Yeah, this was a loss making trade. Actually, it took away around 375 rupees, 345 rupees in this trade.
Okay.
Okay. But immediately this trade up to here, it gave up to 1,400 rupees.
Wow.
Right? ये होता है, you are going to be in such a mode that sometimes all of your things will go into soup, and then we need to accept stop loss. Yeah, we'll do it. Let's accept it when it is required. We'll accept. But this one, what do you have the answer for this? Right? यहाँ पे तो पूरा खींच लिया हम लोग पैसा. Okay. इसके बाद 2-3 stop loss दे ही सकते हैं. And the reason is, if your system is so clear and so objective, right? You can easily give stop loss. You don't hesitate to give stop loss. Reason is, it's not direct entries here. There are a couple of rules when you want to enter, when you want to not enter. I'll let you know of all those things when we start with the program. But this is what you see this. See this one. So everyone will be struggling here. They're saying a lot of stories that are not required, right? Like this is what you need. And ये तो stop loss दे ही सकते हैं इसे. 2 बार 3 बार ले लो, दे दो stop loss. Who cares? Like you see this. When you are in trend, you are in trend. Like that. Right? When you see this, your winning positions are very bigger here. When you see at a higher level, your winning positions are very huge.
Yeah. Okay.
Winning trades ज़्यादा पैसा ला रहा है मेरे लिए. ये देखो.
Yes. Yeah.
And this is price action numbers with respect to the volume candles that I'll help you understand what it is. And ये highest price होगा, ये red वाला lowest price होगा. This red, and I'll let you know how to. This is a pure price action, and we will come to know that where it can take halt or something like that.
Okay.
Right, and this is our GAN levels. All 3 are there in the indicator itself. And I'm going to charge for this indicator. Right, it's not free. Let me put it that. Yeah. Okay. Done about that. Yeah, this is a swing trading. So any question till here, guys, so that we can move into investment. यहाँ से थोड़ा पैसा बनेगा decently, and here it will be little high price, and when it will be cycle हो गया ना, like this is where you can think about financial freedom when you are getting income from multiple sources. यहाँ पर also 2 sources हो गया आपका. When you think about Nifty and Bank Nifty as 2 different tradings, three sources are happened for you guys.
Okay.
Right, 3 sources are ready within trading itself.
Right.
Yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I move on to investing.
You can move on. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you so much. Let me move on. Okay. The minute I talk about investing, right? I'll have a couple of questions. Same. First thing is our cleanup. Cleanup is the better thing that where we can see what can be saved before even investing or spending our efforts and time and money to bring it up. First thing, if you are having a mutual fund, I will let you know how to beat the mutual fund. The same mutual fund, how to beat it. I'll let you know the exact framework, how you can use the same mutual fund. You can beat the mutual fund and convert all to equities and stop paying your fund managers and exit from the mutual funds. yahin se bahut paisa bach jayega, because mutual fund houses will have some rules wherein they need to do some investments. Even if it is taking out your money, they don't have any other option. They'll have to make sure that they're investing there and your money is going there.
Yes.
Right? So that is a rule. So I'll let you know. That is one thing, one only factor, but a lot of other factors are there. I can help you to review your mutual funds and take the same mutual fund, right? Say you have some mutual fund with the HDFC. Your mutual fund is invested in some 10 or 20 stocks. 10, 20 kahan hote hain? Wo log 30, 40 mein laga dete hain jaake. Right? Like how you are going to come up with like trimming that and make sure that you are going to beat the same mutual fund in 1 year. I'll let you know, and we can take it as a challenge also. We can beat it. I'll show you all the options. The minute you hear, you will see that you see the potential, and then you can go away with that. This is first thing. Second level of thing is portfolio audit and cleanup. If already you are invested, I can help you with some checklists, so that like we go with all those checklists and see what companies should you have it in your portfolio and which one should get rid of, which is not going to make money for next 3-4 years. Even if you can keep, but it will not make money. There are certain reasons, like that stock is, that sector is down at the time, going in reverse cycle. One could be cyclical stocks. First of all, we should not have in the portfolio, because that will unnecessarily bring up your portfolio sometime, and which will bring down your portfolio, and it will not know. If you are only like comfortable, you should figure out when it is going to come up and push it into your portfolio. The minute it should go out, it should go out. You should not stay in your portfolio. ऐसे बहुत सारा है parameters. Like I'll give you the whole set of checklists where you can just fill the checklist. If those, if your stock is not fulfilling all of them, just eliminate and go away from that stock, right? And then SIP. If you want, if few people are interested in investing in the SIP, I'll let you know how to invest in the SIP properly. Saying that model SIP portfolio. This is assume like you are investing only if you want to invest some 3,000, 4,000 per month, right? इससे तो portfolio नहीं बना सकते हो. It's not possible, right? Like, but I'll let you know how to go with it, and still you make a portfolio after 1 year. Wait तो करना पड़ेगा because we are not investing so much money. So in 1 year you will have a decent portfolio, and that portfolio will start earning money for you. This is with respect to SIP. यहाँ पे 3 हो गया sources of income यहाँ पे, right? And another thing is your creating. This is an important topic of all these things. What you can expect from me is creating and maintaining model portfolio. यहाँ पे we'll, after doing all this cleanup works, we'll go here, creating and maintaining model portfolio. Here, with position sizing and risk management. Position sizing, when I say that we go with 2 types of portfolios. One is core portfolio, and one we call as satellite portfolio. Reason is core portfolio mein you will have a couple of stocks which are internally compounding, and for long term you will have, you can just keep it there. But you need to monitor that also. There are certain rules and strategies how you can go with core portfolio. I'll let you know. Right, 70% allocation is my recommendation, and it's based on your right, like SIP में थोड़ा डाल रहे हैं हम लोग, ये सब maintain कर रहे हैं. So यहाँ पे 50 लगाते हैं, 40 लगाते हैं. It is your option. So once you have this settled, right, 70%, यहाँ पे not more than 15 stocks. Core portfolio में, it is going to be a huge investment, and core portfolio is something. Portfolio is something. It is earning money for you every month. I mean, it is just compounding money for you. You're not disturbing too much, but monitoring procedures. For everything I talk about, I'll give you buy, sell, exit. So that you know where to exit, how to exit. Even if you have some 100 stocks, right? I'll give you 3 exit points where you can think about exiting little, even when it is growing and when it is coming down. That way you can be in the market, and you can rate the winners. And if it is not going in the right way, you can just eliminate and come out. Satellite portfolio is something like one example I can give you is the Navin Floor kind of stocks. That is not sticking to satellite portfolio, but it's little resembles. It is very close to satellite portfolio. That kind of stocks will go with, like, some business is making well. Fundamental studies are very much required for all these things, and including technicals. Here we mix all fundamentals and technicals to gain more out of it. So like volume profile read kar liya, market profile read kar liya, technicals dekh liya. Fundamentals, you see that okay, company is doing something good. Con call analyze kar liya. I'll let you know to do all those things, and then you pick up a couple of stocks for your satellite portfolio. Satellite portfolio mein maximum 7 to 10 stocks, and some 5 for watch list. Watch list mein aisa rahega. I have one stock in a watch list which is going to come up in next quarter. So I'll put it that way. Like when I go here, right? Kite. यहाँ पे ना Man Infra is something related to real estate. So I think we are expecting this to come up in next. Now it is overvalued as of now. यहाँ से and it is going to be weekly time frame, not daily. So weekly and first, daily next. यहाँ पे देखो. So this is your entry, and daily next. Daily पे भी देख रहा हो तो इतना सारा बढ़ गया है. Right? We are not late actually. We are waiting for a further bigger move. So we'll see how it goes. Or else we'll wait to consolidate the price and then buy it at a cheaper price and go back to the same evaluation methods. So that is how we are going to work for like a satellite portfolio. You will have a couple of things and work towards that. So to do all these things, you need to be having one investment journal that I'm going to help you with how to build an investment journal and make sure how these guys are doing with respect to whole portfolio. Like which are you at risk, or who is winners, who are losers, and what is your total value of your portfolio, and should you come out of a couple of stocks and all, it will give you a fair idea. So these are the things you can expect as part of hand holding from me. And with respect to trading and investing, right? Being that said, and then along with that, what we cover as part of this thing, right? Like ye to main bata sakta hu, like we told a couple of things. If you want to go one level further, so tools. So these are the tools I'm using, and I'll make sure that you know about all these tools, how to use it, and you can tailor and use what it is required, and as a group what we can be used. Harmonic pattern you don't have to use, we can use it as a group. Triangle pattern, alert wave international. So these things are all highly high cost softwares. This is my indicator. This I'll have some nominal price to make sure that it is not just going away here and there. Otherwise it's not going to be too costly also, so take my word. But both are costly, have very high cost, but I have purchased it because I see the use of it now and then, so I purchased this. MarketSmith is also a high cost one. So charting or screener, charting is for technical, so screener is for fundamentals I'm using right now. Screen karne ke liye stocks actually, and then we'll have to mix and match and do some analysis and all. We can do it. Stockage Club, this is 15,000 per month lete hain wo log iske liye. So it is option for you guys, but whenever we need help, we have all these tools handy to get help from me. Like I can help you out, like Tijori Finance हुआ आपका, ये भी बहुत charge करते हैं. Ticker tape is little less charger, and Sensible is definitely required. I recommend everyone to buy. Minimally, we should have Sensible and trading with view with all your users, and the rest are all your options. When I say about this indicator, right, I'll let you know. Actually, like I'll let you know. Yeah, this one is better to have, but I'll let you know how to use it. मैं बता देता हूँ like मेरा indicator में क्या क्या है. If you are comfortable, you can just have it and use it. But otherwise, if you want to buy, you can buy this indicator. You have a ready-made option, and any updates to that, it will come up. Like I'm making it as an invite-only script, so that way it is going to be helpful for everyone. साथ में ये काम भी कर लेते हैं, और बाद में करना पड़ेगा. Give me 1 minute. And okay. Yeah. So this is one other thing I have added. So NSE website delivery average. So this one I'm making a tool. So I thought like I'll include it here. This is something like delivery percentage. NSE website mein jaake, like moving averages, we are going to have it with this formula. Yeah, even if you can take this formula, this is the right formula to use. So I'm just working on it. So sara ka sara ho gaya. So this one I'm going to use it in swing trading, guys. Reason is delivery percentage, you know, right? Like this is where people talk about each stock, how people are going with buying and selling. Agar ye moving averages can keep on going up, I will believe that the stock is still in a very good mode where we don't have any indicator in the world here still now. And then when it keeps moving down, you come to know that okay, delivery gir raha hai, if delivery is falling down, stock will definitely fall down. And if it is syncing with your swing trading analysis, then that is golden for us. Like we can have a very good convection for it with it. So this is what I'm working on. So I'll let you know that. So iske baad, between the program, right? When all these things are happening, I'll also have a couple of trainings. This training is 2 options. One, with hand holding, I'm going to give the same trainings, no like plus and minus, but whenever it is required, I'm going to like have these sessions. Before we start about training, can you please let me know if you have any questions? Guys, you're with me?
Yes, we are with you. So a free version of trading we will not do. Trading view subscribe version must use me.
Yeah, so this is where this indicator will help. No, like if I have some 7-8 indicators to be used, I'll just have it all indicator in the written inside here.
Right.
It's still one indicator for you. यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारा है यहाँ पे, like I'll make you to use all these things, but यहाँ पे देखो like बहुत सारा मैं include कर दिया यहाँ पे.
Sure, okay.
That way it is going to help you. RS is something you're going to use it during fundamentals. I'll let you know. RS is a relative strength. It's not a relative strength index. So toggle करने का. So अभी hide किया है because it is not required as a basic training starting. It's not required, but we will open up one by one so that you understand what we are talking about. This is sweet and simple, right? To start as a trader. As a trader, if you are starting intraday, it has very fair view how you want to do it, and I'll show how to use price, volume, volatility, and your momentum. So how you are going to catch up that and work with your trades. I'll show you that part. That is enough for intraday. And swing also a little extent, but when you go to fundamentals, you should have strong technicals also. That is the stocks we are taking in, so you are seeing decent profits very quickly. वरना 300-400 पॉइंट से एक दो दिन में कहाँ मिला ओपन होता है इन्वेस्टमेंट में, like you not work like that, right?
Right.
Yeah. So we are having all those included and blended together. So okay, when I go with all these things, I'll have some trainings whenever it is required. I'll let you know. With respect to fundamentals, you can expect this many trainings from me, right? Like financial statements and sector analysis, ratio analysis, portfolio allocation, business ranking. This is required when you want to audit your portfolio, and stock screening, detecting manipulations in accounting. This is very important, right? So for us, if you want to go for a long-term investment and all, a core portfolio के लिए use होगा. Not even it will help with your satellite portfolio. मगर portfolio में definitely use होगा. And stocks in special situations. This means election time पे कैसे results time, rights issue, stock split. All these things I'm going to cover here. How you can trade and get some good money out of that. You know, right? Like when stock split happens, what is going to happen? When rights issue gets a thing, what happens? When they give dividend, what will happen? I'll let you know all those tricks and things which will make money for you guys. ये तो like यहाँ वहाँ का थोड़ा आ गया तो अच्छा रहता है ना. Like if you do it right, definitely you get money. No doubt about that. You just need to follow up properly. And calculations of cash delivery percentage. This is what I was talking about, this formula and all these things, right? I thought initially it is a fundamental thing you need, but along with fundamentals, it will be useful for swing trading also. So I just pushed it up. This one. This is the same thing I'm talking about here. Calculation of cash delivery percentage. Cash delivery means kitna delivery utaya daily, and what is the average, moving average of that one with respect to this many days. You'll get a very fair view of the graph. Graph अगर सामने आ गया, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि with all of your 150 stocks or 3000 stocks which are moving, how they are moving, kind of thing. For now, I just concentrate on F&O stocks. बाद में देखते हैं अगर हो सके तो पूरा यूनिवर्स को लगा देते हैं. Your technicals, because for getting money, I think F&O is better because it's already evaluated. Stocks were evaluated by CV. They follow certain rules and not so operator driven.
Yes.
So that is the reason my target is on F&O. So nothing much otherwise. And then technicals wise, the price volume action, we go with winners only. The technicals we learn only that are working in market from long time, and they are going to work in future also, right? So price volume action dekhte hain. So with respect to indicator wise, you have it here already, but I'll show you how to look at it, right? Last price action kya hua tha, uske hisab se what high and what low you can expect. And when you look at this part, right? If I can say auto, I do a couple of things here. This numbers, you see this, November 29th, I'll be telling all the time, right? November 29th, this is the price action happened on November 29th in 15-minute time frame. And in each time frame, it is different. Actually, for 15-minute time frame, ये होने के बाद, like after this candle, right? After this candle closed, I know these levels. 1, 2, 3. Simple अगर आपको रखना है तो 1, 2, 3. I know this top, I know this bottom, and I know this the another bottom that is going to happen. And anything above that, it will give you a solid conviction that यहाँ से sell होगा तो आराम से लेके बैठ सकते हो यहाँ. You got it? What I'm trying to say? This is your top that should happen as part of this price action. A little is going up, but you see, it's not going too much. मगर यहाँ पे आके वो like after this, it hit this low also. After hitting one high and one high low, फिर से high hit किया, बाद में high breakout किया. Now it did not. Now we don't have view about this one. So now I go into 1 hour time frame. 1 hour में ऐसा वाला कुछ है क्या? देखो up. This is with volume, price volume action with respect to 1 hour. ये top था, ये bottom था. So you can expect what is happening here. and this is after hitting this top, it is working here. And then you go in 2 hour time frame. It's all automated. So 2 hour time frame maybe I say yeah. And this one will be more helpful with respect to F&O stocks. And look at F&O stocks, right? You come to know, see this. So kahan pe ho, when did I get this? Yahan pe. This day I know the bottom of this stock. This is the beauty of this. People will do that a lot of calculations differently, but price volume is the key. What drives us until we get some other price volume action in this mode. So this is our readings. This is our learnings. आराम से यहाँ पे देखो तो आया नीचे और अब ऊपर जा रहा है. यहाँ से I can expect it to come down once again. Man infra भी वही था. This is the place where we looked at and told it is overrated. देखो 2 hour में आप देखोगे तो कहाँ पे है. And we'll see somewhere it will take support from somewhere here or here. It is a buy price. These are all kind of resistance right now. Sorry, support right now for man infra. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we are monitoring it and yeah, looking it for another 1 quarter. So देखते हैं like watch list में तो है, देखते हैं बाद में क्या होता है. So that kind of price action. Gann trading methods, when you say like here I have only one simple thing for intraday. Intraday में कितना move हो सकता है, कितना degrees move हो सकता है. So only that much I have. So 15 minute. That is also automated actually. For every stock it will just come up. I don't have to go and draw every time. So it will just come up. Image आ रहा है like this is different Nifty. Yeah. When you go about only Nifty, right? This is what we are going to learn. That Nifty framework, say your USD, your gold, silver price, bond price, कैसे चल रहा है, like so those things and all will go through, but it is little later. When you go for HDFC, right? This is the numbers for HDFC. यहाँ पे देखो ये support लग गया, support यहाँ पे support है तो पूरा दिन support है ही इसका, ये break होने तक. Right? Like so that is how it works. Reliance देखो it did not go. There is some reason this number is working for some reason, right? It did not break it. I'm watching this from many days, right from the day I attended my training. देखो यहाँ पे जाके ये support यहाँ पे लेकर आ गया नीचे. So this will give you very good conviction when doing the trading and all those things. So इसके लिए बस इसे लगाना होगा. So you get it. Some settings problem is there in the Nifty. So this is Gann trading system I was talking about. So apart from that, I'll give you for long terms also, like retracements, high lows. So we'll have a couple of lows and highs defined, and retracements in Gann. So those things and all I'll cover with Gann trading method. Alert waves, there are certain points, like I like to capture fourth wave. Apart from that, I found all other things are technically it's not possible to capture them. देख तो सकते हो, देख के बता सकते हैं आप लोग, मगर उसे like we cannot calculate through any indicator. So this is what I wanted to mean. But fourth wave को थोड़ा करके capture कर सकते हैं. So I'm working on it still, not 100% full completed. Once that fourth wave is completed, right, I'll add it here. That way, the minute you get it on the fourth wave, you know that okay, यहाँ से momentum ठीक रहेगा. Maybe this is a fourth wave. Assume this is a fourth wave. Very quickly you can make decent profits. You can invest little more there. That is what I'm trying to say. Trading also थोड़ा high quantity में ले सकते हैं ना. You know what is happening and what is your exit points. Another thing is stage analysis. Stage analysis is helpful for both in fundamentals and technicals, but I take it in technical part. Reason is like when you only want to buy a stocks, stage 2 and stage 4 are very good. Buy and sell a stock. Swing trading बात कर रहे हैं. So when stock enters into a stage 2 and enters into a stage 4, it's very good for buying and selling swing trades. And when stock is in stage 3, it is very good for your option selling. अगर हमको पता है तो we can take the right trade, right? That these are the problems. This many things are there. It folds and folds and folds. Which few people know few things, few people don't know few things, and couple of people don't know few things which they don't want to acknowledge or they are not aware of. And वहाँ जाके फंस जाते हैं जाके. So that is the problem. And then they say that okay, lot of blame game will happen. And then people say that okay, training अच्छा नहीं था, ये अच्छा नहीं था. So because 360-degree cover नहीं हुआ ना. I can say that stage analysis stage 2 में बेटा आप जाके बस buy करो. And there you go and start playing with option selling and all these things. There you will option selling में error आ जाएगा आपका. I mean, you will get a problems option selling. वहाँ पे जाकर option selling भी deploy किया, that will just hit the circuits, right? It will go away after beyond your controls.
Right.
Break even break करके चला जाएगा वो. So then you will take losses there, right? So that is what. And okay, after this technicals, yeah, screening stocks, I'll let you know. Like both places, screening stocks are there. So उसको merge करना ही पड़ेगा because not all will sync. Reason is like यहाँ पे screening जो करते हैं ना वो एक quarter के लिए करते हैं. यहाँ पे create करते हैं तो maximum 1 month के लिए करते हैं. But if you mix these two, right, you will not get a right output. I noticed that. Mix कर दिया तो miss करके तो screen कर सकते हैं ना. I did that, but it did not work well. So दोनों उठा के watch list में तो डालना ही पड़ेगा. Whatever is there in your fundamentals, technicals you can act on it quickly. So we'll go through that. And next part is your trading strategies. One is intraday, GAN and swing trading. This I already covered. And another strategy is investment strategies. How you are going to go with your core portfolio and how about your satellite portfolio. And after all these things, this needs a lot of money also for me to go with the index trading, like complete framework. Like I'm trying to get some data analysis, what is it? Buying data kind of thing, because यहाँ पे मैं जो भी देख रहा हूँ ना, I need data of all these things, real time data. कोई ऐसा है कि like I'm not able to read it properly, and indicator में लेके आएंगे उसे और अच्छे से कर देते हैं, because there are interlinks between your stock prices, your US index, and your gold, silver prices, oil, and the natural gas. I need to add it natural gas here, natural gas, and your bond prices. There are interconnection between each of them, wherein the minute you know that in Nifty को हम जाके daily में trade कर सकते हैं for 3 days, 10 days, 7 days like this. ये पूरा का पूरा we know that we know somewhere here that is going to happen. So that is the beauty of learning this framework. So I'm putting it all together. So होता ही like I'll deliver this training. This many things you can expect from me as part of trainings. And yeah, when I say handholding, right, like I'm going to be with you. I'm not going to deliver anything and disappear or vanish. It's going to be like I'm going to be with you with the whole journey, and I will start with here. From here, I'll start. When I say 1,000 rupees at 10,000, we'll start from here and we'll grow together. And whatever is happening with me is happening with you. This is the way I will keep the whole program. And planning to have, and also I don't encourage training program alone. If you people ask me to deliver only training program, but I do not believe in that. So what I say, I'm going to deliver this training program, but in bits and pieces whenever it is required. You're going to get it all, but when it is required, we'll get it. When we move here, right? So we'll not have confusions. You don't have, first you get good hold on this one. I'm going to be with you. Implementation is the key part that we need to take a good hold of. Otherwise, study, you can do a lot of studies, but when we are not implementing, we'll not get results. This is one of my key learning. So I structured the program this way. Yeah, please let me know if you have any questions now, guys. I think I'm done with my delivery.
So Satosh, for this first one, right, intraday trading, you will be giving us the exit entry, and for practicing this, we need to take your calls as is, right?
First, yeah, my way of delivery is I let you know the trading system, how to use it. First thing, you should be able to come up with the calls. And today, I think no one came up. There was no much new option also, so we did not worry about it. Today is first day. अब देखो यहाँ पे एंट्री तो 14th को ही मिल गया था हमें एंट्री यहाँ पे. Today is just worked out on the same call, and when fresh entry will come, we'll try to enter there like that.
Okay.
I'll let you know how. I'll have one session first. Decently, we'll discuss how to do it. I'll deliver everything. इसको कैसे use करना है, how to implement the strategy, and how you are going to go with it. I'll let you know all things, and then it's your ability to find the trade and enter into the trade. Or if you want to wait for my call, you can wait for it. When I enter, I'll definitely let you know. We'll have one Telegram group. So on the Telegram group, I'm posting them. If I enter, if I enter, right? I did not enter today because like I had some late night work and I waked up around I think 1 o'clock, 1:30 go wake up. Yeah, I waked up at 1:30 in this candle. So I was thinking that when it lays here, I was thinking that ये कैंडल होने के बाद मुझे लग रहा था कि ये नीचे आ जाएगा because वो Open interest was also in that mode only, but slowly it shifted. Open interest was shifted and it came up. I show you to monitor. I did not take trade, right? That means I have a right system to monitor and then go with it. हम लोग प्राइस वॉल्यूम को मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर मोमेंटम एंड वॉलेटिलिटी थ्रू दिस सुपर ट्रेंड. तो एटीआर वॉलेटिलिटी इंडिकेटर को कैप्चर करेगा. इवन सुपर ट्रेंड इज लैगिंग इंडिकेटर, बट इट विल हेल्प. दिस इज अ सुपर ट्रेंड इंडिकेटर, नथिंग मच, बट द पैरामीटर्स आर डिफरेंट अकॉर्डिंगली हाउ इट विल हेल्प अस, राइट? यहाँ पे तो मोमेंटम पता चल जाएगा. दिस इज रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ, बट आई नेम्ड इट एज स्ट्रेंथ इंडेक्स बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग सम अदर पैरामीटर्स आल्सो लाइक रेड, ब्लू, रेड एंड ग्रीन टेप आप जो देख रहे हो ना. सो यहीं पे ज्यादा के ज्यादा लाइक रिवर्स हो जाता है. व्हेन इट इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड दैट इट इज मोमेंटम. 60 to 68 लगाया मैं शायद यहाँ पे. या इट इज 68. When you are going above 68, get ready for super trend this day, like that, right? When you are crossing this SMA, so it's something like even if you are here, right? You are here on a super trend. You get a good conviction to get in here, right? Because yahi se shuru ho gaya aapka open move, right? When you are good at all these things, you can take one buy position here and with this stop loss also. Yahi pe buy position laga ke बैठ सकते हो because it started crossing over. Okay. And you know, right, like that, right? And you don't have too much confusion and what to say, so many indicators to follow also. So all are taken care of internally, and we can go with it. And last, when you look at here, right, like this was the entry here. यहाँ पे entry करके बैठ सकते थे, मगर our super trend only give entry here. But यहीं से entry ले सकते थे ना when this one crossed above SMA. So like that I'm talking about. So internally it'll help each other, like what you say, that complementing each other, you say, right, like that. Since we are using right indicators, price के लिए, volume के लिए, we are using price and volume directly. So volume we are measuring with respect to multi-strike Y. So that I teach you in our first class how to use it. I think it's here. Index, tools used, capital required, lot size, expiry, choose how the strike price should be chosen. What you should do is here it's only option buying, and sensible में क्या use करना है, multi-strike Y use करना है. Trading view में price and volume. This is the menu thing we are going to use. Momentum and volatility will capture.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the things we have in hand. And yeah, I think I did not mention the price yet, right? I mentioned the price in our call, but yeah, when you want to talk about price, this thing I'm going to charge you 5K per month, not more than that and not less than that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not going to be too much fees because I'm not going behind fees, but yeah, it should be some trigger should be there, right? So that is the point I'm trying to look at. And then this is the whole picture.
Okay.
We'll start from here and we'll work towards all these things and we'll try to land here. Investment journal, if you are maintaining yourself, that is the place you think you are good at your trading and investment.
Okay.
And also, like since I'm the other reason I'm taking charging very less money is because keeping both trainers and trainees in view, saying that okay, both should not anytime regret of paying or taking the fees. Right? मुझे भी regret नहीं होगा. Like I'll keep on helping you, and I'll never feel regret that I took so much fees and I did not do justice. And you also don't feel any regret that you took something and I was not available when you have it out, or when I'm not there. I just dumped some training and went. Right? वही होता है ना, like 50,000, 1 lakh. I took training. This I actually planned for 25K for all things, but not many were there in the list at that time. I added up. Because I'm also now accountable, right? I'm in front of you. I did not have all these things earlier.
Correct.
Taxation nahi tha usme. Even if I don't deliver, you don't care. You don't ask me. But now I want that, right? So that is the thing. I have put all things together. Yeah. This is about the whole program, guys. Yeah. Please feel free to ask your questions. Anything I can answer. If it requires, I'll also contact my mentors and I can get back to you with answers if I don't know.
Okay, thanks, Santosh.
Sure, guys. Yeah. Thanks to all of you. I think we have 5 participants.
Yeah, it was a nice session, Santosh.
I'm sorry?
No, it was a very good session actually. The overview was very good. Thanks for that.
Thank you so much, Swati, Spandan, Primal जी आप म्यूट हो गए साइड में. He is my first friend from growth module 1, right?
Oh,
Thank you, Santosh. Sorry, I'm seeing you on my television. That's why I couldn't.
Okay, got it.
Done a screencast to just see it on a larger picture. Fantastic presentation, Santosh. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Sure.
You've learned so much more than what we have learned, actually.
Yeah, there is no end, right? Like, yeah, we still.
The interesting thing is that you keep on learning. Yes, that's the most important thing.
Right. Yeah.
So
Now,
at the time that I joined growth module 1, 2, and 3, I was kind of having a lot of time in my hand. But nowadays, it's not like I can be glued to the screen. Since I was actually thinking, I'm not speaking on everybody's behalf, but I would like to know how you can help me, Santosh, in managing the portfolio, and I think concentrating more on investing. Because I'm not a day trade trader or a bigly trader. I would like to invest in stocks and then see them grow and make some profit on it. Of course, I have some short-term finance available. I've kept it aside, but then I don't want to get into F&O and options and all that.
Sure. Yeah, this will be. We'll directly go here for you from. So we'll directly go here. आपका कोई म्यूचुअल फंड है तो I'll work with you.
Yes.
Clean up. And आपका like we'll clean up and move it into equities. There itself you are going to save a lot of money. And then we'll go with portfolio audit. I'll let you know how to. When I say portfolio audit, it's not I'm going to do it and it will be in isolation. We'll work together and I'll give you the template. I'll teach you how to do it actually. First part will be teaching. Next part will be implementation. This is my whole program structure.
Okay, and also some stocks. I don't mind if you can recommend some stocks, maybe on a short-term, short-term goal or something like that.
Yeah, we'll prepare one goal. Goal statement is anyways there, right? First goals here from here only we are going to start.
Okay.
Goal to hoga hi. And then after that, what we'll do with respect to investment, SIP. If you like to start with some SIP and all, it's okay. Or else then I'll let you know how to maintain a model portfolio. यहाँ पे ये strategies cover होगा first. Core portfolio strategy and satellite portfolio strategy. This is how we need to operate. So
I didn't understand this satellite portfolio.
Yeah, satellite portfolio is something like it will be in your portfolio for 2 to 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Core portfolio is for 3 to 5 years.
Okay.
But I would say this thing 18 months. I recently learned from one of my mentor. 18 months is the decent time. But you have all parameters, exit and entry strategies for this one. I'll give you 3 exit strategies. So even for when stock is going up, like Tanla and all these things, right? Everyone don't know what need to do, right? Even for S Bank, everyone didn't know what to do, right? When stock is coming down, like it is a hard and fast rule. If it crosses that, exit. Crosses, so okay, 20%. So book 20 of your shares, 20% of your shares. I'll give you the whole framework for that. I can get you that.
Perfect.
So we'll work together. And if you're not interested in trading and all these things, that is fine. But you can still attend those classes when it happens.
Yes, sure. Knowledge is obviously useful, but it's just that I've earned a lot of money just like that. I think in options I didn't understand them well.
Sure. Yeah. You did not understand because you did not had a chance to cover the whole setup.
That's true.
क्या हो रहा है? हम जाके stage 2 में जाके हम लोग option sell कर रहे हैं तो पैसा break करेगा चला जाएगा पैसा.
We were like just thought on how to get on the horse and then we had to do a horse race immediately.
Right. That's true. When you see a lot of variants are there, right? Even with this, it's not just taking a few lines here, but you have a lot of variants here to see. And if you want to stick as a good market participant, you need to know all of this and even more actually. Yeah. So this one I'm working now, and this is my next goal. So
fantastic.
Registered research analyst, and then next will be my finance advisor. So
I know that there are so many advisors, Santosh ji, that they're charging so much of fees. Once they're registered with SEBI, they kind of feel that they are gods now.
Yeah.
I don't want you to have the same feeling.
Not actually. Yeah, not everyone will have this skill. The main gap I also see there is either they have fundamental skill or they have technical skill, not both.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew this from the beginning. That is the reason I structured my learnings also in the same lines. And then now I'm trying to help out others.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is a very tailored one, and so that you don't have to waste 4 or 5 years to get all these things.
True. And how will you start the training? Is it already started, or how is it, Santosh?
Yeah. For one group, I started yesterday. So it was just 2-3 people. But still, and from next week I can add it once again and go through. यही बस उन लोगों को intraday सिखाया था, not much.
Okay.
They started with the intraday, and then we'll go from there like that.
So you started from the basics, or?
Yeah, बस basics नहीं होता है. This is the training goal, and we started with the intraday. Intraday में आप लोग ये करोगे. So this is the thing for them. Today exercise was to find a trade. मगर आज trade कहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ, because that's what I was saying. I gave them the system. So to trade.
Yes, about the system. Do we have to purchase the trading view thing? And I don't have the pro version. I have the normal.
दो इंडिकेटर आपको लग सके तो नहीं चाहिए होता, because
I've got around.
I don't give you maximum than 3 indicators. I'll not give, because most of the things I'll try to fit in one indicator itself.
No, I think I can fit in about 5 indicators. I have.
Oh yeah, you can use it then. Not a problem. You don't have to get an additional one. Reason is ये दो indicator है ना, ये आप लगा लो बस.
Perfect. And what is the timing that you hold these sessions?
Timings, I will check with your availability and take them. Most of the times I'm planning on weekends, Saturday evening and Sunday.
Perfect.
देखते हैं अगर attend कर सकते तो करो. Otherwise, if something is left out, I'll cover in the other class. I'll make sure you are going to get all these things. It's not that you did not come, you lost it. And also, we'll try to make sure all of these things are recorded. And when you see this Zoom also, right, it is a paid version.
Right.
When you say paid version, we are using more than 1 hour right now, right? So
right.
So it's all well set up as done.
Okay.
Recording sessions you can go through. And second thing, if you have any doubts, you can definitely come back.
And Santosh, last question. How do we start this? I mean, you said you will just enter us for a free version, and then I think I'll take it on from there. I'm definitely interested. Sure.
Yeah, the way it starts is, first I'll request you to complete your first month payment. And after that, I'm going to have your ID into one Telegram group that is going to be like unique for the only paid members. Right now, around 10 people are there, and maybe like whoever comes in now, we can update on top of it. And also, I'm giving you the numbers. You should not surprise. You should not think that there are around 50-100 people, and you come and see that only 10 people are there. We have only 10 people, not more than that. I'm just starting, right? Like this was coming into this idea itself was a good journey for me, and now it is the next level, right? And then overall, my next stage is when I get through all these things, right? I'm also going to include in my trainings. Yeah, research analyst आपको बनना है या finance advisor बनना है, क्या चाहिए होता है उसके लिए.
Okay.
Even I'll take accountability of making you a research analyst or finance advisor. Retirement advisor भी होता है, like that is the next level.
Oh, that's nice. I think I'll be interested in retirement advisor as well.
Yeah, I know that is required for all of us, right? It should be basic education.
Very much.
Like we did not wanted calculus and all those things.
Yeah, true.
Retirement advisor. These 3 are my next 3 targets. So I'll go one by one. And as I complete, right, I'll also have that session, because when I will get it in different way, and then I know how to deliver it into common people very easy way. So that way it is going to be helpful for a lot of people. This is going to be my next steps.
Excellent.
Yeah, by the time you get into all these things, you will also have that skills with you.
Fantastic. And how many hours is the webinar going to be held on Saturday and Sunday?
1.5 hour के लिए plan कर रहा हूँ. 1 hour training, half an hour question.
Excellent. That is the time that we can,
it will not go more. And also I'll keep it crisp, right? Like training करना है तो भाई इतना करो बस. You don't have to do all day analysis. इतना करो. Next implementation में पकड़े जाएंगे ना if you don't understand. That is my catch actually.
Yes.
इतना ही होना करना होता है. Like even swing trade, I'll explain you the swing trading system. ये एक swing trading system explain करने के लिए कितना time चाहिए? 1 hour is max. But implementation is the key. There comes your money management skills, your psychology, your guts, and your conviction. How you are going to grow your conviction, and all these things will come there while implementing. There you might need more help, not on the training day actually. So that's what I believe. सब पूरा delivery ऐसे ही होगा.
Yes, yes. Very
Just let you know what is required for you. That is enough. Because even if I do give you a lot of inputs, finally उतना ही चाहिए होता है करने के लिए. Core portfolio karna hai, so 10 indicators if you want to know, that is enough for you, and you learn the 10 indicators properly. That is enough. As a character, like I'll give you all spoon-feeded things. Don't worry.
Perfect. So, do you need a specific Demat account, or I have Zerodha and Angel? Do you need some other specific?
Satellite portfolio ke liye, I recommend Zerodha kind of low brokerage costs. Brokers, low brokerage lene wala. Reason is you are going to turn around your stocks here and there every 2 weeks or 3 months, 1 month, like that. But core portfolio ke liye you plan for either ICICI Bank or something like that.
Achha.
It is going to be long term. ऐसे डाल के छोड़ देते हैं वहाँ पे free, and you are not going to disturb them a lot. That is a main.
Motilal Oswal, I have Motilal Oswal. Is that okay?
Yeah, anything could be okay. Even in Zerodha you can keep if you want, if you are not disturbing it. Disturb करने का मन नहीं आना चाहिए. That is the main thing. Core portfolio, you will treat it differently. Satellite portfolio, you are going to treat it differently.
Okay. Understand. Fine. Great. Excellent webinar. Thank you so much, Santosh. And I'll be in touch with you one-to-one on the WhatsApp thing, and we'll start soon.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks everyone for joining.
Thank you so much. God bless you. All the very best to you.
Thank you.
And us all.
All of us. Let's work together.
Definitely.
A lot of plans, but first thing you need to pick up this speed, and then I'll let you know what needs to be done.
Yes.
Yeah, once you aligned with me, I'll make sure that I'll make you financially independent.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Santosh.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you, Santosh.
Yeah. Thanks everyone. Have a good night. Let's get in touch.